Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren launched PM Kisan as part of the nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren says a new development bank has sanctioned 2,600 crore rupees for safe drinking water for the state. And Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister house was burnt down. Authorities suspended internet services and imposed curfew. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren also launched Prime Minister Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme PM Kisan as a part of the nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Bengun Sati Kongnang in Mayang Imphal today. PM Kisan will provide marginal farmers with land up to 2 hectares 6,000 rupees per year in their bank account in 3 equal installments. 3,736 marginal farmers from Imphal East, Imphal West and Thoubal district were provided with 2,000 rupees as a part of the first installment of the scheme. The state government approved 10,500 marginal farmers to avail the benefit of the scheme. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that politics is to help the poor and look forward for an equal and advanced society. He added, politics is not to create inequality and to incite one another in the name of secularism. The Chief Minister further asserted that the main aim of the BJP-led government is to serve people. He also mentioned that the schemes and projects taken by the government are for the backward section of the society. He asserted that the present government does not believe in hoarding up votes by inciting hatred among communities. The Chief Minister further stated that compromising with a person's life is not politics, but it will rather be termed as looking for opportunity. As a part of the event, a special Go to Village program was also held, where beneficiaries from Wabagai and Mayang Imphal were provided with disability certificates, free gas connections under Ujjwala Yojana scheme, labour cards, farmer cards, and handloom and textile cards. Chief Minister N. Biren also inaugurated Khomlangkhong Police Outpost and Mayang Imphal Public Health Centre. MLA Mayang Imphal Kendra cum Deputy Chief Speaker Khongkham Ravindro, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit, Kafan PD Minister Karam Sham, Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian, MLAs, Chief Secretary, DGP and top official of various departments attended the event.
Politics karino akoi masen nungsina dana hu kam badunate politics sebdi mioi babu seba toba mioi babu phagatanba laik tamangam dabado laik tamanba layeng mangam dabado layeng hanba ising thangningai lektabado ising pitakpa kana lejedraba singdo mateng pangba karom dano masat khrebe ko politics jat bizat ki secularism gi mingda what is secularism BJP na sahi ani sure ba huje kari thokrage ba BJP na kana ko manupa manupi ma hindu olal me ba tarbo saba chinjak ta nanga du saba yaro ena pharam me ba tarbo kari gino asuyam na nemba politics asuyam na akhuba politics
praja amadi akoi leiri ba sarkar jiga manaraga masi porai na troba masi chahi tara ma kun leiri ngate politic ngamdri kari gino da chakhoba pamde sarkar na are thada imam to paisa dum lokthokpa maksai fikau hapchamba phura dalan saraga sirana kano togden haiba ikai je ba miyam mamang da haiba ikai je.
Manipur Center Krishi Vigyan Kendras of Imphal West, Churachandpur and Tamenglong district also joined the celebration upon launching PM Kisan in a function held at ICR Lamphelt today. Speaking to media, Deputy Chairman of Manipur State Planning Board S. Rajan stated that the scheme will help farmers in procuring appropriate yields. He drew the attention of the relevant authorities to amend the rule which states that the beneficiary farmers should hold up to 2 hectares of cultivable land, as many farmers of the state merely own land of their own. It may be mentioned that under the scheme, 6,000 rupees will be given per year to the farmers. The amount will be given in 3 installments of 2,000 rupees each and will be transferred directly to the bank accounts of the beneficiary farmers to increase their income and ensure their continuance in farming activities.
Sigumba low Jagadamani, Hibasima Katandi, Ikoina Semto Ningi, Madam di Karinai Kanda, Ikoi Manipur, the Dimasi, Ikoi low Lajadaba, Mingondagi low Salaga, Ikoi Tenalo in a labor, Adugumana Masing Yami, Samada, Ikoi 70%. Mahazondagi low Salaga Ubadugumba, Tenan Kato in a Lajaba Masagi Lam Lajadaba Mayam Lay, Aduna, Sigumba Mayam Sings the Kanabasi, Ikoi Masagi. Lam Litraga di Yadabanina Madu applied the way Adaba, Shima Katang di Equi, Semto Ningi.
Deputy Commissioner Pawan Yadav also launched Prime Minister Kishan Samman Nidhi scheme as a part of the nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Panchayat Resource Centre, Bishnupur district today. District Administration Bishnupur and District Agriculture Office jointly organized the program. Amounts were also transferred to the bank accounts of the beneficiary farmers registered under the scheme through Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT). BDO of Bishnupur and Moirang Block, district level officer, Pradhan and local residents of the area attended the event.
Farmers who have the land holding which is less than 2 hectares are eligible to get 6,000 rupees per annum. These 6,000 rupees will be given in 3 installments of 2,000 each. Glad to know that most of the farmers have applied and most of the people have applied. In fact, Bishnupur is the highest, at present the highest people have applied in Manipur, and around 2,600 people have applied and they are already registered on the portal of PM Kisan.
Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren inaugurated the Koirengai Bridge today, which was constructed by Public Works Department of Manipur government with an estimated budget of 10 crores and 32 lakh rupees. Speaking in the inaugural event, the Chief Minister declared that the Cabinet has approved to include 25 crore rupees in the budget for School Fagadhansi program initiated under Go to Village mission and to recruit 120 primary teachers. He further said that work order has been approved to construct 3 bridges in 3 different parts of Haingang Assembly constituency and foundation stones will be laid in near future. N. Biren also declared that 2,600 crore rupees has been sanctioned by New Development Bank under BRICS (BRICS) to provide drinking water in every single household by 2022. He asserted that the said water supply scheme was sanctioned under the recommendation of Prime Minister Office. The Chief Minister also stated that mobile testing laboratory will be launched on February 27 to provide health benefits. He further asserted that for the first phase of the program, 20 motorcycles will be launched at 10 PHC in hill districts and 10 PHC in valley areas and will be followed by launch of 86 motorcycles in 86 PHC of the state. He further asserted that the motorcycles will go around every localities and will provide benefits in conducting health checkup.
Cities are one of the 11. Jose Queen of the plans, elevated highways, Sidaki, Horaka, and the Kaptorini, Matak overbridge. University room the Tagivama, Uribok from the Sakiba, Yapur from the Sakiba, High ADB, which sanction Karikari, Loina Yamba, Wari Loirabani. Lakatri report Mayam, the President Corporation Peter Diaro.
Attending inaugural event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit stated that under Rural Road Infrastructure Development Program 1-2, the government is trying to acquire 4,000 crore rupees from ADBP. He further stated that under the program for the first phase, there has been approval of sanctioning 2,400 crore rupees. Speaking in the event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assured of making 80% of road connection in both hills and valley and all-weather road within first phase under the fund. He further stated that the government will give priority to the district headquarters and will make the road condition in the city an excellent one. He also assured of giving priority to SDO and SDC headquarters. The Works Minister also guaranteed to construct ring road within this year.
road infrastructure development program haidana 1 2 first phase gi oina 2400 crore gumba in principal yar abane madu pirakpa matamda ting da leriba bhaili da leriba se koi first term gi manung stadi koi 70 to 80% di road se loin makta all weather aduga koi gi bituminous platform thokta lambi je oin gane ha bache siri iren single luching ba sarkar je gi praja me am da wasak me je tham ultimately ban blockade to waje kana adano koi manipur da mangau ye particular oiriba area du gi tawri du gi manghau na ba macha ga ma oi adana masi tawdana akoi nungai na wari sarkar kari maina tawrkana solution puduk sige problem the focus tawgum je solution the focus tawji aduga mangnom da positive with positive thinking alone na jangjan matam da any hurdle koi puna mai thi pi bangam gani.
Protesters in Arunachal Pradesh have burnt down the bungalow of Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Man as anger and unrest continues against the state government in Itanagar. Chauna Man was moved out from State Cabinet Itanagar and shifted to Namsai district early Sunday morning. Besides this, protesters also vandalized residence of the district commissioner. A superintendent of police rank officer has also been injured. Arunachal Pradesh has been tense since Friday evening when the person was killed in police firing. People have been protesting against the recommendations of a panel appointed by the state government regarding issuing permanent resident certificate (PRC) to some communities who have been living in the state for decades but are not its natives. On Friday evening, angry protesters burnt 50 cars and damaged 100 others. At least 5 theatres were gutted in Itanagar. A music band from Nagaland that was participating in a film festival was attacked and its car and instruments torched. The army has been called in and is carrying out flag marches in Itanagar. The Union Home Ministry on Saturday said that Home Minister Rajnath Singh has spoken to the Chief Minister and took stock of the situation. He appealed to the people to maintain peace in the state. Meanwhile, as precautionary measures, authorities have suspended internet services in Itanagar and imposed a curfew. Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release affirmed to unearth the alleged misuse of 20 crore rupees by supplying substandard GI pipe amid the struggle to provide safe drinking water under National Rural Drinking Water Program to various parts of the state. The proscribed outfit further raised query on how pipes were allowed to supply by one Kolkata-based company named Jindal. The press release also mentioned of finding out the accused persons involved in the ruckus and whom the BJP government is trying to shield in the alleged misuse of money. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurated 2 health and wellness centers at Irilbung and Takil in Imphal East today. National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Services jointly organized the inaugural event. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar appealed to doctors and nurses to provide treatment to patients with responsibility. He added the budget of the state is on deficit with 2,448 crore rupees since last year. He assured of giving his best effort to enhance health sector of the state despite lack of fund. The Health Minister asserted that every individual working in the health sector need to extend their support to undertakings of the government. The minister further stated that the Health and Wellness Center upgraded from PHSC will bring a huge change for the betterment of health sector in the state. He also assured of setting up of various health and wellness center in various parts of Manipur.
Tangai badana layom tompa put macam sih yari di tuna aku isto lagi aku tun thang nung hobi nurse ambil lebih na minta ketung serem ni nimit tuh dah mombati candle macam dah kunci torga ini banyak dress kelaga florence na tinggal memang dah ayo wasa bibo nasi apa nimit sih lagi ayo nurse apa itu cakap ni adanya aing tinundang ayo kan betul naik dah pasal sebab tong ni na haji begitu sudah kau bikin nurse miui mani madagi ayi isagi yungi oiba ai isagi purebe yungi lakpe but badu lairi mi anda tanara ama mau chlo ko kuch bai de but to all the time ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯃꯥꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯄꯥꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
A one-day free health camp on RBSK screening, routine immunization, health checkup and malaria test was held at 7 villages in Kenjoy block of Chandal district today. The camp was organized by a combined team led by Medical Officer in charge More, Dr. K.H. Santikumar. Inhabitants of the village were checked up and free medications were also provided during the camp. A team of Camp District Community Mobilizer, Chandal and 20 staffs of PHC More also extended help in conduct of the camp. TT vaccine injection to pregnant mothers and polio vaccine and deworming tablets to the children were also given in the camp. The camp will try to cover 11 villages under Yangonglen sub-center tomorrow.
More BPMU ga Chandal District Health Society da sidlaga 39 villages hard to reach area Kenjoy da leiba khun mayam sing se RI RBSK adugadi basic health services ANC gumba mayam se piningai gi dama khoi huji Kenjoy sub center da konba Elbongjoy khujore khalai di khoi Yangolen sub center da konba khunyorani aduna asina Kenjoy gi disina loiba khun tare duga we have covered most of the villages and then we are planning for the next 2 days as well.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inauguration of 60-day weaving and design training at Handlooms Training Center, Kongman, Zone 3. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. A 60-day weaving and design training kicked off at Handlooms Training Center, Kongman, Zone 3 today. The training was jointly organized by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles with Manipur Handlooms and Handicrafts Corporation Limited. Speaking in the event, Director of a Department of Handlooms and Textile, K. Lamli Kamai, stated that if the women weavers of the state procure weaving earnestly as an employment, it will enhance their income accordingly. He also assured of providing possible help to the weavers of the state from the department.
हाइरिबा मपान की लमदा एक्सपोर्ट तोंना बम पांगलमदा थादो किना बगी दमकता करम फी सागदेगे करमाय सागदे अदुगा मसी करम मतमदा निमे क्यानी मनुंगदा साबा लोइना होनगदिगे हाइबसिगे मसीगे अखोइगी कैंपेन अमा लाकरी अदु कैंपेन द मयाम पुन अमुसरु यामिनरगा अखोइगी पाक्तनना मसी पुम खुदी मा थोंजो लेबा खुदी मा कोइ पिसाबी याता लोइ ओलसे हाइदु नते तोगान तोगान मसी फम लोइ लेजरमबनी अदुना तोगान तोगान मसी फम लेजखरे अदु पिसालो सासिदा थवा यावबा यावी कम खुदी मकेदी तगाई मैकैदिगी योंखम gi waragasu lang gi waragasu maduda koi pradhan mantri jivan jyoti bima yojana su koi gi naraga natraga level thida lekin taraga su palani phambagi scheme insurance loile.
Info West Commando team carried out cordon search operations at Thangal Bazaar area of Info West district today. The team carried out search operations at Thangal Bazaar area like How Market, Alugali, BT Road, Mass Hotel and Temporary Market from 7:50 to 8:40 am today. A total of 557 individuals were verified and 28 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Vice President of Desam and Addition extended full solidarity to the mass rally to include Meitei Meitei in scheduled list of the India organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur on March 3rd. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the party's office at Sagolban, Moirang Lerak today, Addition stated that the mass rally jointly organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and coordinating body on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee is of paramount importance for the Meitei community. He affirmed that members of Desam will take part in the rally. He urged to all the organization and students of schools, college, university, nursing college and professional institutions of the state to take part in the rally. The Vice President also urged to other various organizations of the state who are against the movement to withdraw their protest. He stated that it is a vital movement to save the indigenous communities of the state from the clutches of mainland India. Addition asserted that the movement will not deprive any community of its rights. He further urged the state government to forward the recommendation to include Meitei Meitei in the Scheduled list of the Indian government at the earliest.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur amadi coordinating body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee na sillaga lakadoriba March ki tang ahumda thau ground thangoi bandagi konung lampak phawba chatkadoriba miyamgi khongchat asi desamna masi thawai hakchang yauna akoigi leijaba thawna akoi pangan loksing puthokna hariba khongchat asi mapung phananaba hona jagani Manipur da leiriba tongan ba political party singnasu furup asina changsilagliba khongjang asida makoi masa masa gi oiba phirep ado Manipur miyam da khangan bagalonana hoi lokhapam tokpa makoi lokhum tokpa responsibility si logodabani.
Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front RPF President Irengbam Chowrin sent his regards on 40th birth anniversary and Independence Demand Day of the group. The proscribed group in a press release showed respect and honor to the patriots who sacrificed their lives. The press release further stated that the problems faced by the state cannot be solved if the people backed for the democratic rights. The president urged to stand united to make a sovereign state and to root out the colonial rule. United Committee of Thinungai UCT, a conglomerate of 13 associations in Thinungai, held a public meeting extending solidarity to construction of first bird sanctuary of northeast at Thinungai Mamang part of the state. During the meeting, the people of the area stated that they have no objection in construction of bird sanctuary in 103 hectares area of Thinungai Mamang Part. Deputy Director of Environment and Ecology Department Dr. T. Brajakumar, Member of Manipur State Wetland Technical Committee Consultant Salam Rajesh and wildlife preservers of the state attended the meet. MLA Nauria Pakhanglakpa Soibam Subhash Chandra stated that it is impossible to take up all the development projects at once, and he has been working earnestly on priority basis with an aim to convert Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency into a model constituency. He was speaking in an inaugural function of a Maira Sang and a crematorium waiting shed at Laishram Laikai constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund. He further stated that under the initiative of Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren, with an aim to upgrade the constituency into a model constituency, the government has been working on road maintenance, education sectors, providing drinking water and many more. He added most of the roads are repaired and the remaining will also be repaired in near future. The MLA expressed discontentment over the road blockage and protest by the people from Kwakaithel Akham Laikai to Chingku, as it could have been solved by holding talks. Imphal West Adaksha R.K. Taruni, Nauria Pakhanglakpa, Haino Khongnembi Gram Panchayat Pradhan K.S.H. Romita and ward members attended the meet.
Koi saksa khoma sari bane aduna munne koi wakan khalanga si yabra yadabra haibdu MLA ga tatok datin tongnaraga tawbiyo heta lambi tawkhaibi thingjanbi masi tawbigano phapatu tanaraga phajana thabak development da tawminasi chahi ahum leiri ahum gi manungda tawbo yaba ai kendra sigi record ama aina model ama tawjagani haidana haibadu hojik modern je kharaga haurabani education gi isingi development khudingmakta lambi thongi loina bakse punamakse ekoi tanaraga thabakse tawminasi.
Kimbut Film Productions' first wrong-way feature film, Kai Bina, was released at Asa Cinema North AOC today. Actors Jangong Mei, Naomi, Gagarin and Marina are in the lead roles of the film directed by Zangong Mei Thai Mei, which is co-produced by Marina Kamei and T.D. Grace. NG Cultural Academy Kongba Sadokpung launched a 2-month training course for learning Meitei songs and regional folk songs today. ACA in a press release informed that the training course will be held under the funding of Sangeet Nathak Academy, New Delhi. Art and Culture Minister Dr. M. Nara and eminent persons attended the inaugural event. Apunba Manipur Huen Lalong Lob organized a 2-day joint non-residential Thangta Chaibi Sarik Sarak training camp in relation to Players Day at Modern Academy, Kongba Lairen Part today. Jilla Parishad of Imphal East District, Seram Neken and President of Apunba Manipur, Huwe Lalong Lop Okram Mangle Mite attended the event. Techniques of Thangta, Sajen and Sarit Sarak were instructed as a part of the event. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council felicitated Sangeet Natak Academy 2019 awardee S.H. Hemanta, a renowned Shumang Kumhai artist and popularly known as Oza Tolhal at Ibo Yaima Shumang Lila Shanglen Palace compound today. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar and renowned persons of Sumang Lila presented a citation, souls and gifts to artist S.H. Hemanta upon being conferred the prestigious award by President Ramnath Kovind. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jayanta Kumar stated that people from every corner has been expressing apprehension over the prestigious art form of the state Shumang Lila being on the verge of despairing from our land. He further expressed discontentment at the lack of Shumang Lila enthusiasts in holding the art form. Minister Jayanta Kumar also assured of upholding the aspiration of the members and the awardees of Sumang Lila and providing necessary aids to preserve the art form. Eminent personalities in the field of art and culture attended the event.
Sumang Lila di Pampata Sangeet Natak Academy Award hamnaban nipa mana lai film sidagi he na wangkat na phona hukanda kari changge yam se kari to honinge na hagse ase amona nekeli chai manga teru re ga hagi hagi na moi manam de rajni to nipa ma gi ministry matan de chai manga khaltani almost 2 years ago there been 3 years later hemantana aina Sangeet Natak Academy Award amo aina ai vision namalai mayam pundok to henowa ma chan namlai simili pami ha har pa manda matum veteran samno phana ko na hal se it is my commitment.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren launched PM Kishan as a part of the nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren says a new development bank has sanctioned 2,600 crore rupees for safe drinking water for the state. And Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister house was burnt down. Authorities suspended internet services and imposed curfew.